I thought you were getting emotional.
Yeah. Goodbye, hair.
Meg is here. She saved it all up, and we're gonna go natural. You can see how short it's going to be.
I look like a skunk.
You ready for it?
Yes.
Let's go to work.
Save the best to last.
So number 8.
Okay.
Oh, the first hairs.
Quite dark.
But this is your natural color.
Yeah.
Here's some blondes as well.
Okay. That feels strange. It was so much longer before. I think when it starts looking like it's about to grow over my ears, I'm like, oh.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
annoying, right?
I like it tidy. I will say that it's so damaged. Like if I feel the end of my hair, it feels so like dry.
Yeah, dry. Oh, you look so different. I like it. Let's save you from all this.
No, up a little bit. Just a little bit more. Okay, yeah.
Then there's still
Goodbye,
a
my
lot of
friend.
blonde left. But that's why I wet it a little, because else it sticks everywhere. Those dry hairs really itch.
I'll start doing the mustache dance. Whatever that is. To be fair, it's just hair, isn't it? Grows back.
Definitely.
Mine grows back so fast. That's why when you sent a message, you're like, don't cut your hair. And I'm like, you do realise my hair grows back so fast.
No, it doesn't.
Hairy face.
Just blow them out. I have a brush.
Lovely.
Close your eyes. It's better, right?
Yes. So sorry.
The pleasure.
I'm itchy. I'm sorry.
I thought you were getting emotional.
Yeah. Goodbye, hair.
No, this is a happy divorce.
Yeah. This is the best hair breakup ever. And shower times will be very different. Not as much shampoo and conditioner as before. So is there a buzz on the video as well?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And
Did she like it?
yeah, she loved it.
Good. That's the main thing. As long as they like it.
I was having my sister hair, I was at home, and we moved here there. Okay.
Lovely.
No more
It's
mullet.
nice because it's you can tell it's been cut, but it's not like really harsh,
Oh,
you know?
yeah.
Tears of relief. Oof.
Relief.
I'm normally back in the salon after like 3 or 4 weeks. Just like it tidy.
Hello. Who are you? Oh, you're gonna love this bag.
Do you have a favourite haircut you like to do, or you like all of them really?
Actually, this one,
Yeah.
like the combination between clippers and scissors and
Yeah.
super short but still keeping a shape in there.
Yeah.
These are my favorite.
Yeah.
Deep side.
So what's a hotel like that you're staying in? Is it comfy? Is it nice?
This one is better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
It's just 3 minutes away, so that's easy.
Well, yeah. Then you could just get all your things and just go. Hello.
Who's this? That's a weird client.
Oh.
It's my wife.
Oh, bless her. It must be so handy to have a husband who's a hairdresser.
Yes, it is, but I'm not a perfect client. I'm not someone that likes to go to the hairdresser every 4 weeks.
It is a chore, but needed. You got a short haircut. For me, anyway.
Oh, you have it even shorter, so for you it's even more important to go.
Yeah. The amount of times though I've just been tempted to just like do it myself. Yeah.
Did you do it?
No, it would look terrible. It would look so bad. But I've wanted to so much. It is. Oh.
I met my friend recently. Oh yeah.
Look at that, look, a new person.
Cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and soft.
Yeah, very nice.
What a
Thank
cool
you.
change.
Very nice.
It's the same client, I promise. Here's the before, the after.
Thank you for having me.
You're very welcome. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.